back to my channel. Today we are doing Karate Kitten worksheet number 13. Given below the pair of incomplete sentences, complete them by using when. When తో మనం సెంటెన్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలన్నప్పుడు సెంటెన్స్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో when యూజ్ చేసి రాసేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. When Ramya was going to the auditorium to attend a meeting, then she met his friend Radha. When John was drawing a picture on the blackboard, the class teacher showed pics to the class. When Swami was watching TV, then his friend Krishna came to his house. When I was singing a song, then my mother called him. Then Rohit was boating, then I entered to the cricket stadium. When అనేది ఫస్ట్ లో స్టార్ట్ చేసి మొత్తం సెంటెన్స్ ని రీరైట్ రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Coming to the second bit, fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Yesterday I went to a shop. There I saw a squirrel. The squirrel was white and cute. I saw an elephant in the zoo. An elephant has a long trunk. Rohit lived in a small town. Rajarao came home in the evening. Read the following paragraph and rewrite by using when. When తో మనం ఇక్కడ రాసాం కదా సెంటెన్స్, సేమ్ అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ స్టార్టింగ్ లో when యూజ్ చేసి మొత్తం సెంటెన్స్ ని రాయాల్సింది. When Manju was writing a story, when they were talking to each other, when she saw reading a letter, when they started playing chess, when they were having dinner. ఈ సెంటెన్స్ ని 1 by 1 మనం ఇక్కడ మొత్తం when యూజ్ చేసి రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. This is worksheet 13 of Karate Kitten. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment for more and more videos.